Good morning, it is day 3 on board Carnival Encounter. So we're starting the day a little bit differently for us today. We are going to breakfast in a restaurant, which we normally do the buffet and restaurant on the very, very last day. We thought we'd try something different, see what it's like. And yeah, so it's another sea day. We'll just be taking it easy, seeing what there is to do and see around the ship. Got a couple more bits to film for my full ship tour as well that we're going to zip around and do before we head into Papua New Guinea tomorrow, which is very exciting. We're going to be there early tomorrow morning in Alatau. Let's just see where the day takes us today. It's kind of like a build your own breakfast situation. I got a ham and cheese omelette, some chicken sausage and a hash brown. Yep, it's good solid food. Did take pretty long to come out. The restaurant is half empty and it took 35 minutes to get our food. That's not great, but it's fine. Probably wouldn't do this on a port day because we wouldn't have time. Found a teeny tiny duck. I left one of my ducks, so take a duck, leave a duck.
I can see. Excellent. Now I'm gonna put it here. This one mixed together. I will flip now. All right, so ready to go.
1 or 2, 3. A bit of movie magic, look at that.
We didn't get to try any of the dishes because I didn't want to jump up and down screaming. It's not my thing. But it has inspired us to actually book a reservation at Trattoria last day of the cruise, so we're going to do that. But for now, it's coffee time. Come back into the room because people were getting quite noisy and I couldn't concentrate on my Sudoku. But little tip, when you do go cruising, bring sandwich bags, because it hasn't been a problem on other cruises that we've been on, but we like to have a little sweet treat with our coffees in the morning. But the buffet doesn't open till 11:30, which is where you get the cookies from. And you know, you don't want to wait till 11:30 for your coffee. So we went and grabbed some cookies off the buffet, put them in a sandwich bag. So now we've got cookies for our coffees for the next few days.
And then there's an armband which goes anti-clockwise around New Guinea as trade. So it's really quite interesting to be able to track where these different shells, shell jewellery have come from. When we get into marriage, so once again, it involves yams. So what happens is that there is no official traditional marriage ceremony. The woman stays in her lover's house instead of leaving it before sunrise. So instead of doing the walk of shame, you know, getting out before the sun comes up, she actually stays in there.
Now we actually ended up staying for both of the talks on Alatau and Kirawina Island, so we're all knowledged up on the do's and don'ts. And I think it's time for a wee sweet treat. We're going to get some ice cream. Now on Encounter and Adventure, they still only have New Zealand natural scoop ice cream. They don't have swirls, so it is an additional charge. I think it's $6.50 a scoop, but you know, we deserve it. Let's go get some ice cream. It is white night tonight, so we are cranking out our outfits that are easily stained, because why not? We are heading to Waterfront Restaurant for dinner tonight, so I'll take you along to show you the food they've got there. Wanted to wait until we got back for this one because it didn't wow me at all tonight. Pumpkin soup was good, but you know, it's pumpkin soup. It's hard to make bad pumpkin soup. Beef brisket was quite tough and I didn't end up finishing it because I just didn't enjoy eating it. The pudding, it was just bland across the board. Like the custard just tasted like it was pouring custard out of a carton, which it probably was. The pudding had like no flavour. The raspberry dip wasn't tart or sweet like a jam. Toasted meringue on top, which also tasted like nothing, so it was just like bland, 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 bland. The Carnival chocolate melting cake, is not like what we remembered. It wasn't even hot. It's like they just kind of cooked them and then left them on a tray for service time, waiting till somebody ordered them. So like they were melty in the middle, but they also had like a overcooked crust, and they weren't hot. Like the ramekin wasn't even hot. So I didn't finish dessert either, but popped by the buffet on the way back and got a couple little desserts here, because they've got like mini pavs, like a lemon curd cake and a Grand Marnier cake. After that, and then we're gonna go see the situation with the spa, because we decided not to go to the show tonight. It's a juggler. I'm good. So I thought we might go have a little float in the spa, see how that goes. I was let down. All the jacuzzis are broken, so the actual bubbles and warmth doesn't work. Just go have a hot shower and go to bed. So yeah, we're just gonna call it. I've got an early morning tomorrow as we dock in Alatau. We are docking long side, so we don't have to get tenders or anything, which is really good. We're probably going to get up around 7:30. Ship isn't supposed to dock until 8, and we don't want to get off first because everyone will be trying to get off first. Doesn't look like, from the information we've got, this is really the snorkeling place to be, so we're gonna see what we can do in Alatau, and I'll take you along with me. See you tomorrow.